You ready to go for a ride?
Bike of the Year, OCC Invitational.
This is a nice fucking bike, bro.
Thank you.
Hi, I'm Bert King. And I'm Keith Overton, and welcome to the 2026 OCC Invitational Bike Show.
Every corner of this country and roads across the world, builders bring their finest visions, chrome and fire unfurled.
Hey, we're here for the 4th annual 2026 OCC Invitational Bike Show. It has been amazing so far. We've had over 35 builders show up this year, 75 bikes they brought with them, and the quality has been just unbelievable. I will tell you, this has been the best event we've had so far, from record attendance numbers to awesome people showing up and voting. We had thousands and thousands of people choice votes so far. The Sunshine Skyway Bridge Ride is happening right now. Hundreds of bikes going over the bridge, led by Paul Sr. They're going to stop at the rest area, take a great group photo, come back for lunch, listen to more great music. This has been an unbelievable event, the best so far.
At OCC Roadhouse they gather, at Bert's Barracudas they belong. Two legends fueling one tradition, where craftsmanship rolls strong. This ain't about the spotlight or the noise outside the gate. It's about the builders and the machines they create.
So what's your experience been with the builders?
Oh, it's great. It's really cool to see everybody that you meet.
Everybody's friendly. Everybody wants to help.
Man, a lot of cool builders here, meeting some cool people.
Excellent. I mean, there's nothing greater in motorcycle community than a bunch of bike builders getting together.
Everybody's been great. I mean, beautiful bikes every year.
Oh, it's been fantastic. Oh, it's been great because everybody's friendly.
It's a great show, man. The people here, the bikes get better every year. Like, everybody here is just family. Now I look forward to coming more for the people than just the bikes, honestly.
Well, I just love being at Bert's Barracuda, OCC. I work over at Orange County Choppers and stuff like that as well. So this is like our home event and stuff like that. And I'm about an hour away, so wouldn't miss it.
They're very nice people. They're very welcoming.
Oh man, we got some good competition this year. A lot of bikes. A lot of people step up their game, and that's what makes it worth it. Just the way that Bert's welcomes the dealers, or welcomes the builders. I mean, it's just fantastic. Probably going to be the best show that we're going to have all year. You know what I mean? It'll be the show we really look forward to.
If you're not here now, I can't wait to see you next year.
Barbers, choppers, vintage legends, red rods, wild and free, rolling works of art and metal, built with pure identity.
Look at this fucking bike.
Paul Sr. walks the roads, searching for the chosen few.
How crazy is this bike?
Every trophy tells a story. Every build was born to move.
First place, People's Choice for the Cafe Racers Division is number 55, Pooh Built Customs.
Those who live to ride. And back in this event,
The people voted. Bike number 51 won the most votes, and bike number 52, Picozzi's Customs.
rolling side by side, American flags waving.
Is bike number 32, These Nuts and Bolts.
Miles wide, St. Pete shining in the distance.
Dangerous Designs, bike 27.
3 days of craft and brotherhood.
Buddha Custom Cycles, bike number 16.
Just begun.
Badmouth Bikes.
Goes to Crazy Native, bike number 22.
Builders, riders, legends.
Death Trap Cycles, bike 30.
Dome culture thrives.
All builders voted, and here is your Bike of the Year, OCC Invitational, Dom's Customs, Bike 31.
Wow.
Can I get a picture with you next to the bike?
Yeah, that's very nice. Holy shit. This is a nice fucking bike, bro.
Thank you.
Very nice, man. Very nice. Colors are great on that, you know? I mean, it's a nice bike, you know? Just some beautiful, look at this bike over here.
This is the cafe. It's over here.
That's nice too, boy. That's a nice fucking bike.
I want to give special thanks to Fran Hosh Law Group for helping me sponsor the OCC Invitational.
Built, not bought.